Welcome to Lagupata from Solve the Virtual Labs. The objective of this simulation is to conduct the performance test on centrifugal pump and to plot the operating characteristics. The setup used for this simulation is shown here. To understand the terminologies, click on the description highlighted in red. Throughout the simulation, to proceed to the next step, click on this arrow shown below. Click on this green button to start the pump. Click here to rotate the handle to set the speed of motor to be constant. Now click here to place the tachometer into the pump and determine the speed. Click here on the gauge to get the zoomed view of it. Click here to open the delivery valve and allow the water to flow in the channel till the crest level. Now turn the knob of hook gauge to take the hook gauge initial reading. Click here to increase the flow of water by turning the valve. Now turn the knob of hook gauge to get the final reading. Calculate the actual discharge using this formula and enter the calculated value here. Click on check to check the result. Select the correct answer for this pop-up question to proceed to the next step. Click here on the delivery gauge to determine delivery head. Click here on the suction gauge to know the suction head. Calculate total head by using this formula and enter the calculated value. Check for the results. Click on the watt meter to get the watt meter reading. These are the observations for the current experiment. Click on the description to know the details. These are the variables for the calculations. Calculate the input power using this formula and enter the calculated value. And check for the results. Similarly, calculate output power and check for the results. Calculate the efficiency and click on check to check the result. Similarly, follow same steps for other trials. Click on red button to switch off the pump. Repeat the procedure until discharge is reduced to 0. These are the performance characteristic curves for this current experiment. Click here on the efficiency versus actual discharge to see the plot. Total head versus actual discharge. Input power versus actual discharge. Output power versus actual discharge.